So let's get started. Let's make this eye, sorry, look like this one. And then, so first of all, I'm going to start off with the Fluffy Crease brush. I'm going to use the palette Zulu by Juvia. And I'm going to go in with this red here. As you can see though, I've already prepped my eye. So I'm going to go in and make a big fat mess. Doesn't matter too much if I get any fallout on the face, because I don't think I'm going to do a full face of makeup today. I'm going to just concentrate on my eyes more than anything else. So I'm not going to really do a full face. I'm going to take this and I'm going to go underneath. It doesn't matter too much if it looks a bit of a mess to start off with. I think most makeup looks like a mess until you make it all come together. Trying to make my eyes look even. It's only a problem when you do one eye first. It's trying to make the other one look the same. Crazy but true. Don't want an odd eye. I think that looks pretty similar. Right, now we're going to get a small brush and I'm going to do something pretty crazy. I'm going to actually use Morphe in Bonnie on our eye. I'm going to get a small brush and I'm going to place this around the crease. So, okay. Again, if it looks a little bit messed off, it will come together in the end. It doesn't matter that I've got a little bit on my eyelid because I'm going to get rid of that anyway in a bit. So it doesn't matter too much. Okay, now I've done that, I'm going to get this brush and I'm going to blend that all in. I just don't think I've got a dark enough, bright enough red that would actually do what this has done. So it's good. And then to help the colour a little bit, we're going to go in with Anastacia Modern Renaissance. I'm going to go for the Veterinary Red, and we're just going to go over that. I'm going into that corner a little bit there. Go underneath, darken that up a bit. Right, then we're going to go back in with the fluffy brush and back in with the red from the Juvia to just soften that line so you've not got a harsh line. Soften it a bit. I'm still suffering with a cold and watery eyes. Wow. I hate having mophe. I don't know why I get them all the time. I'm hoping that when the summer comes, that it's not going to be as bad. Just keep blending until we lose the harshness of that line. So I want it to stand out, but I don't want it to look as like blocky, you know, like a harsh line. So anyway, we're going to go in with some concealer. Doesn't matter what concealer it is, any concealer will do. A small brush, and we're going to cut away this first part here. And don't worry too much if you get any above or whatever, because you can just touch that up when it's done. Like so. Pat that down. See, I'm having a bit of a mess of mine today. No. But it's easy correctable. See? All done, corrected. So then we're going to get so many palettes today, sorry. The Saharan by Juvia. And we're going to go in, when I find my brush, with this gold colour here, called Wadabi. I'm just going to put that all over where we've just made that little nice bit, just to brighten your eye up, to make it a little bit more brighter. It's not too full on, like in your face red everywhere. Okay. And when you're happy with the gold, then I suggest getting your brush and just really like going over. I haven't put any more product on it. I'm going over it just to, because it's like a bit of gold, and then blending the edges out a little bit so the gold is not as solid. I'm going to have to get a bit more product actually back from that Anastacia palette, just to blend that corner out, just so it's not as in, you know, like blockified, like I said. Yep. Just want to clean my brush a bit. And I'm going to just fluff that line out a bit. Right, I'm going to apply my eyelashes and I will be right back. So yeah, the eyelashes are on now. It was quite a quick look. Wasn't that hard, to be honest. Something simple really that you could do that looks a bit more dramatic and like stands out. And anyway, yeah, so I'm not going to do all my full makeup today. I just thought I'd just try this look. So if you do like this look and you do like my channel, please could you like, comment and subscribe. And I am poorly, so it was so lovely if you could subscribe. If you want to see any more looks, please comment below and just tell me what you'd like to see. But yeah, it looks kind of pretty, gold red look, kind of look like Valentine's Day even. Anyway, thank you for watching and goodbye.